smells
Why?
terrible.
It smells bad. It's been getting rained on for years.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
This has leaks?
Hey, I need a screwdriver.
Pass for a screwdriver. What kind? Phillips?
Phillips head. That's not a Phillips. The other one.
What?
You know what a Phillips head screwdriver is?
What?
He's worse with tools than you.
This is an angel. This looks like a...
It's an angel bear. Don't you see it has wings?
Here to make this because you even have to take up this metal here. Put new metal.
What is that? Oh, could throw that out.
Good that our lives have ladybugs. We're here cleaning out this bus. Oh, bus.
Right?
You flip the bottom up.
Oh, it is part of the seat. I thought that was a nest.
Take that all out and we'll put foam.
This looks important.
They call me Mad Eye Moody.
Oh, these are,
Vintage Florida Marlins.
yeah.
Okay, Francis, I gotta
I
go.
just want to know how things get,
Disgusting like that?
like, thrown into crevices. I really don't
know.
understand men sometimes. So.
We're gonna have to fix this one.
So we're gonna end up doing is pulling all this out and then we're gonna put foam in it, right?
Yeah.
The real reason I'm doing this portion is because Chris is deathly afraid of spiders. So he left this up to me.
Yes, I know he's scared.
He's scared of spiders. Now we're just gonna give her a good strip. Good old strip. Focus. Focus.
Don't think there's any black.
Hola, Liz. I'm just counting how many handfuls.
One handful of junk.
Show the camera. There's a lot more to come from that. I've got in here.
It's just black. Oh, no.
Look at that. It's just everywhere. What's up, Vangabonders? So Chris has left it up to me to choose the style and color and pattern of the curtains, which I'm super excited about. However, I don't really know what I'm doing as far as patterns with this bus yet. I kind of want to do a merge between modern and vintage, which is what a lot of people are doing these days. Everywhere you kind of see vintage coming back. I'm not so sure. We need to fix this right here. All the compartments, kind of the handles are broken on just about every single one of them. I kind of want to just strip it down and maybe start new. I don't know. Definitely want to paint them, if anything. We're definitely redoing the ceiling, redoing the floors. We might even, cover this baby and change the color. I don't know. I'm just torn because I do love the vintage side of these buses, and getting to walk up to one and see one fully restored to its former glory is super cool. However, we're trying to do this on a budget and not go full full send. So yeah, I'm gonna be probably brainstorming that and let you know my ideas along the way. I'll even try to like get your opinions on colors, if we do any paint, or we'll just put it up to a vote. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about the modern vintage look and how you know, if it's even okay, if it's a sin to do that to one of these. And I know most of you guys probably fell in love with just the boys and how they just had all their memories posted and stickers, literally stickers everywhere, everywhere you look, just random stickers. So I know you guys kind of probably fell in love with the fact that just two dudes rocking the simple life. But I kind of want to bring this bus to life and make it an experience, especially if we like one day want to turn it into a little Airbnb outside of our house. I think it'd be a really cool experience to stay in a nice, clean, kept bus. So all the nitty-gritty stuff you see might be going. We're not so sure yet, but let me know in the comments what you think about it. If you're sad to see the nitty-gritty gone, or if you're excited to see the modern vintage twist to it. Let me know in the comments. Why you so sweet, you little baby? Oh my God. Mwah.
Time lapse removing the ceiling. Now we're gonna time lapse remove everything because now that I've got a woman, she's decided she wants it very clean inside and it smells like a wet dog no matter how much we try to clean. So we're redoing the whole interior. And as for the ceiling, I might have a donor pop-top roof coming in. Might. Removed all the old laminate, which I'm never doing laminate in a bus again. Little bit of rusty bus there. Rusty dusty. Wow. I guess I'll get the chair out now and we'll have almost all the interior out and we could get to some serious. Put your phone on. See? You should have left the comment.
Don't forget to hit like and leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, another cool thing, you can hit that little bell, that notification bell below. It'll let you know when we have posted a video, because we don't know when videos are going up. They're just going to be going up randomly, so we don't have a set schedule of when we're going to be uploading. So be sure to hit that bell and you'll be the first to know when we upload. Also, if you are interested in furthering supporting us and our journey, you can purchase merch, and that link is in the description below. So go ahead and check that out. We'll see you guys next time.